All right, so I'm going to add the city boundaries shapefile to the map. And so this city boundaries just demarcates the boundaries of the city of Port Alberni. But this data is just a polyline. It's not a polygon. So you'll see that there's a line representing the outsides of the city, but it's not actually a shape. And so there's two easy ways you can tell if you're unsure if something's a polyline or a polygon. Under symbology, if you only see options for lines, then you know you're working with a polyline, not a polygon. Also, if you open the attribute table, you'll see a shape length, but there's no shape area. And so we need to use the city boundaries polygon. We want to take the city boundaries and use that to clip down the rest of our data to just the area in and immediately around the city. But the way a clip works, it requires a polygon, not a polyline. So the first step is to create a new layer. We're going to create a new feature class. We'll call it municipal boundary. We'll just go next, next. Make sure it's set to BC Albers, next, next, and finish. So we're creating this empty features class called municipal boundary, and we're creating this in the PA risk assessment geodatabase because, again, the geodatabase is like the default work location. So while you can work with all the things that are just in this PA data folder, we want all of our data that we create in this risk assessment geodatabase. That way it's kept separate from the original data. So now the next step is to go to Edit and click, actually first drag municipal boundary onto the map as well. So this is just an empty layer for the moment. Then you click on city boundaries, and then you click the Modify button under the Edit tab. Then you should be able to scroll down, and you'll see this option, Construct Polygon. Double click that, and then the first step is to select one or more line features. So click the Select button, and just drag it over a portion of this city boundaries line. So the whole line is just one entity, so wherever you click, it will connect the whole thing. So you click on Port Alberni, and under Template, make sure municipal boundary is selected, and then save the accept the defaults, and just click Construct. And so this will create a new polygon from the polyline that is in the municipal boundaries layer. So now we can work with the municipal boundary, and we can use that to perform our clip.